Hi, dear mates and tutor, and this is me, Pedro Juliana Maya, and I'm going to explain uh, this text about materials designs to face-to-face environments and how, as a teachers, we would design and present videos in real context with our students. Okay, the first question is how would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? Using videos in our face-to-face classes will help us to integrate different skills into the learning process. Video-appropriated dialogues and also can be used as a sample of real communications. Using videos, our students can reinforce the elements of the global communications and can also become word scientists since they can exchange information and knowledge with people around the world. What language skill would you practice by using this tool in face-to-face classes? And how would you do it? Well, so first of all, I think those skills that we want to put in practice with our students, those are the listening, speaking, reading, writing, and they all almost integrate those skills as well. And why? Because in the real practice with different contexts, uh, they face to the new experiences and they build their own knowledge according what their needs. So that's really important to involve the students into this culture that they don't be scared to express their own ideas in these communicative skills. Okay, and name three advantages and three disadvantages for using videos in face-to-face environments. One of those advantages are the pace in the teaching face-to-face is often based on the students taking notes and processing. With the online lessons, the students control the pace and they can stop the video if they want more time and any idea, or they can set it as many times as they wish. The flexibility 7 days, 44 hours, any place is just necessary, and the internet connection, of course, to make a meaningful learning since we can see the relationship between what they have learned and the theory and how they be in reality. Disadvantages. Thus, I consider the time involved in preparing the lesson, the knowledge the teacher needs in order to use the appropriate web tool according with students' needs and interests. There is a kind of interaction in the class between teachers and students that is impossible to feel in an online environment. And okay guys, so that's all for this text. I hope you return any comments as soon as you can make it possible, and see you next time. Bye bye.